Did you know cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping?
That's about 16 hours a day for the average cat.
Did you know snakes smell with their tongues? They use their forked tongues to taste particles in the air. Did you know a group of kangaroos is called a mob? These mobs are led by a dominant male called a boomer. Did you know bats make up 20% of all mammal species? There are over 400 species of bats worldwide. Did you know hippos can open their mouths up to 150 degrees? Their massive jaws are a powerful defense mechanism. Follow Trivia Orb for more fascinating facts.